guys, hi. Once again, welcome back to the session. This is your master teacher Harsh Priyam and I am in front of all of you with the next session of formula cheat sheet. तो आज बात करने वाले हैं polynomials का formula cheat sheet का and this chapter is precisely very easy. So you have to just remember 2-3 simple formulas और उसके बाद this chapter is done. ठीक है, तो चलो let's start our today's session. Start करने के पहले all those people who wanted to join me in their crash course, in their revision course, या फिर जो बच्चे मुझसे पढ़ना चाहते हैं live on pro subscription, Vedantu Pro subscription, this is the best time to go for it because due to this winter Christmas sale, इस winter Christmas sale में all the prices have been slashed to 50%. So the best thing is कि right now you can take the benefit of that 50% और जो प्राइस पहले 2700 रुपीज पर मंथ जो वेदांतु प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन का कॉस्ट था that has come down to 1350 rupees per month. और इस 1350 में you will be getting math, physics, chemistry means all the subjects. Not only maths, बल्कि सारे के सारे subject. Not only teaching, बल्कि doubt support, live sessions, teachers, handwritten notes, test, assignment, everything. So it's the good deal, isn't it? This is the last time. अब इसके बाद डिस्काउंट फिर कब आएगा? I guess होली या दिवाली में आएगा. So it's better to take it right now. चलो मूविंग ऑन. इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन एक और है कि जो बच्चे आरएमओ या एनएससीजीएस के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, आरएमओ और एनएससीजीएस, सो वेदांतु हैज लॉन्च्ड अ वेरी स्पेशल फाउंडेशन प्लस कोर्स फॉर दैट. हाउ यू कैन गेट इनटू दैट? तो लिंक यहां पे दिया हुआ है tinyurl.com/foundation-plus. अगेन बता देता हूं, ये लिंक दिया हुआ अभी होगा डिस्क्रिप्शन में. सो tinyurl.com/foundation-plus. So this link you have to go for and then you can register yourself for this Foundation Plus batch where classes for RMO and NSCGS would be conducted. Fine. And this is starting from 21st December to 31st January. Okay. Chalo. So let's start, people. Polynomials, these are the basic stuff. Like a polynomial could be written in the format of a n x raised to power n, a n minus 1 x raised to power n minus 1 and dot. So these are the basic stuff, like this is coefficient, this is variable, this is the power and so on. So the important thing is degree. You all know it from class 9th. Degree is 0. This means constant polynomial. Degree 1, linear. Degree 2, quadratic, cubic and so on. Similarly, these are the examples. So I'm just showing you the basic stuff. It's not so important this year. Moving ahead, roots are zeros of the polynomial. So for that, what you do? You simply just make it equal to 0. Whatever is the polynomial, just make it equal to 0. उसको 0 बना दिया, you will find the value of x and that will be the 0 of the polynomial. Yeah. Moving on, geometrical meaning of 0 of the polynomial. So you know कि any polynomial, whatever is the graph, that graph wherever it intersects with the x-axis, that will be the 0 of the polynomial. मतलब if you have got a parabola, so parabola if it is intersecting at 2 points, so 2 zeros. If 2 zeros. If it is a linear polynomial, so if it is a linear polynomial, only one intersection, so 1 0. Fine. So only intersection of this graph with the x-axis. That is important. Moving on. Relationship between zeros and coefficient. Now this is the most important thing. So please pay attention over this because इसी के लिए मैं सबसे important ये इस पूरे chapter में है. That's why I moved so fast with the starting point. Now relationship between the zeros and coefficient. This is where you will get the question. First one, general form of a linear equation. It's ax plus b. So here it's not a big deal. You can very easily find the 0. 2x plus 4 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 2. Just simple. Now the important thing starts from quadratic. Now in quadratic, ax square plus bx plus c is the general format. Here the zeros we assume as alpha and beta and a, b, c are the coefficients of the equation. So first relation is alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a and second is alpha into beta equals to c by a. Never forget this. And similarly for the cubic also, please don't forget. This is called sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to minus b by a. Alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha equals to c by a. And alpha beta gamma equals to minus d by a. Very important relations. Don't forget. Only these two relations, quadratic and cubic, they are important. In fact, quadratic is much more important compared to cubic. ठीक है? Moving ahead. Next thing is that if you know the 0, then how can you find the polynomial? So again, for quadratic, it's pretty simple. You all know x minus a into x minus b or x minus alpha into x minus beta, you can say, if alpha and beta are the zeros. Here they have taken a and b as the 0. So whatever you write. This is the first method, or एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस सम टाइम्स एक्स प्लस प्रोडक्ट, दैट ऑल्सो यू माइट बी नोइंग, वो भी पता है ना, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा टाइम्स एक्स प्लस अल्फा इंटू बीटा, दैट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द फॉर्म. सिमिलरली फॉर क्यूबिक, x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma, or x minus a into x minus b into x minus c. So this is how you will get the equation. तो ये फॉर्मेट भी बहुत जरूरी है, प्लीज इसको भूलना नहीं. डोंट फॉरगेट दिस बिकॉज फ्रॉम हेयर ऑल्सो यू गेट क्वेश्चन. तो इस पूरे चैप्टर में दीज आर द ओनली टू इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, ओनली टू, कुछ भी और जरूरी नहीं. ज्योमेट्रिकल मीनिंग ऑफ जीरो, यू माइट गेट 1 मार्कर क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम देयर, दैट यू विल very easily do. Second, alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a, alpha into beta c by a, same for cubic, and this is the third part. So only these 3 parts are important, that's it. The entire chapter is done. You don't need to take care of any other thing. Fine, chalo. So yes, that was all for this chapter. So I hope you liked the video. Just hit the like button if you liked it and subscribe to the channel. Put your beautiful comments in the comment box. I'll be going through that. और जिन बच्चों को मेरे साथ जुड़ना है तो वेदांतु प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन is always there. You can go to the description box, follow the link and get enrolled. All those people who were trying to enroll, 2700 per month कोर्स का प्राइस था. If you use the coupon code HP Pro, तो इस HP Pro कूपन कोड के साथ आपको 2159 में मिलता वो, बट अभी इसके लिए डिस्काउंट चल रहा है 50%, so you will get it in 1350. बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा डिस्काउंट है, तो it's better to grab it right now. इस 1350 में आपको सिर्फ मैथ नहीं मिलेगा बल्कि मैथ, साइंस, सारे सब्जेक्ट्स. तो बल्ले बल्ले गो फॉर इट. और डाउट सपोर्ट और हैंड रिटन नोट्स और बाकी सारी चीज तो मिल ही रही है. ठीक है, तो दैट वाज ऑल फोक्स. सी यू ऑल इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, गुड नाइट और ध्यान रखो. बाय बाय पीपल, गुड नाइट.